The girl got the dogs a dog treat. Here it is. It's peanut butter fudge for dogs. I'm thinking I gotta try it, okay? I have to try it. I broke that off for them so they could try it. It doesn't have a taste when I lick it. But it tastes like peanut butter when I eat it. No wonder they're fighting over it. I'm gonna see if Mo wants a lick. You want a lick?
No.
What?
No.
Why not?
It's dog food. Actually, it's peanut butter and yogurt is what the thing said, but...
Peanut butter and yogurt's people food.
It's for the dogs. Don't give me that. It's for the dogs.
She never lets me have fun. Damn it. And she broke my glasses.
I did not.
She smacked the shit out of me. Look at that. Smacked the shit out of me. I'm abused.
Oh my goodness.
What am I gonna do?
If I did something, he'd be missing a tooth, not his glasses earpiece.
She's abusive, I think. She's starting to go abusive. Honeymoon's over. What are y'all doing in there? Get the hell out of there. I do not have a passenger endorsement. And y'all ain't gonna fit. There's gotta be at least 80 of y'all in there. That's like a sci-fi movie. Or a bunch of clowns. This is not a Yugo. Come on.
It's all the same. Only the names will change every day. It seems we're wasting away. Another place where the faces are so cold. I drive all night just to get back home. I'm a cowboy on a steel horse I ride. I'm wanted, dead or alive. Wanted, dead or alive. Sometimes I sleep, sometimes it's not for days. The people I meet always go their separate ways. Sometimes you tell a day by the bottle that you drink. Times when you're alone, all you do is think. I'm a cowboy on a steel horse I ride. I'm wanted, dead or alive. Wanted, dead or alive.
All right, guys. Mission accomplished. Kick that load off in El Paso. Be good. They gave me a load going to Illinois, which I would have loved to take, and I should have, because it didn't pay. It paid like 18 cents less on the mile than I wanted. I would have took it. Somebody else would have unapproved. I would have took it because we're in El Paso, and I know we're not going to get anything good. So they also gave me a load going to Houston, which was much better pay-wise. But time-wise, it's going to cost me some time.
I want to go ahead and interject here.
We're working on it.
I don't even know
We're working on
why
it.
he says someone else wouldn't approve. Because he does what he wants and calm down. He does what he wants anyway. So I don't even know who he's trying to fool over there.
It leaves me on the horns of a dilemma. Whenever, because I'm like,
Come here, come here.
I'm gonna make the girl upset or something because it's cheap freight. She's right. I do what I want because I know what to do.
Listen, you just confessed.
But when it comes to the loads, she doesn't know exactly what I would do if I'm like asleep or something and a load comes in, and I don't want. She doesn't know where to go from El Paso, right? Because she don't know what the best way to go.
I don't have to. That's your job.
I know.
Your job.
But if I take a cheaper load, you're gonna be like, you took a cheap load.
No, I'm not. As long as not every load is cheap.
Oh, I know, but it was 1,500 miles.
That's
And
a lot of cheap
that's a
miles.
long cheap load.
Yeah, that's a lot of cheap miles.
And that was kind of painful. 1,500 miles of cheapness. I don't know. It might be better to make a statement and take the better paying load going to Houston and saying, screw you. I ain't taking you a cheap load. You know what I mean. I was okay with the cheap load.
What do you look at me for?
She's got funny stuff on her lips, but y'all can't see it. It's like metallic, cheesy.
I can't kiss the dog though, or his hair will stick in it.
Oh hell, that might be funny too.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some Mexican again in a minute, and I'm gonna interject that in the video and say, "Hey, get out!"
Calm down. Somebody was too close
He's
to the
not
truck.
prejudiced against Mexicans. He's Mexican.
He's prejudiced against everybody.
That's right. He just hates everybody equally. He's like Archie Bunker that way. But anyway, we're gonna go get some more Mexican. It'll be number 3 in the South. And since we're going to Houston, I'm not even gonna cook. It's gonna be 2 more Mexicans on the way to Houston and 1 on the way out. I've got a stack of Mexican points built up.
No.
Yes, I do. You can't take my stack of Mexican points away.
I'm the boss of points. You're the boss of getting us a load out of El Paso, and I'm the boss of points.
I don't think I concur with that at all.
Your opinion don't matter on this issue.
See, she's turning into a bully.
Coming from the guy who does what he wants.
She's asleep when I do what I want. She sleeps, 16 hours a day. So
14. I
14?
cut back.
She did cut back. I'm proud of her. Well, she didn't used to do that when we was running regular hot team freight over the road. She wouldn't sleep at 14 hours. She'd sleep 10 hours and crawl out of bed like a good trooper. Now that she don't have to anymore, she's like H&R Puffin Stuff or something piled up in the bed. I know you don't know who H&R Puffin Stuff are. You don't know. Look it up. It's on YouTube.
Okay. I'm not.
She might not be a hoarder. She's even dressed like a lady. I bet she would
He's
let
not
us.
talking about me. He's
Oh
talking
yeah,
about somebody else.
I wanted to. This lady over here has a nice truck. I kind of wanted to check it out, but her dashboard's full of stuff, so that's not a good idea. If I catch you out here on the road and you got a nice truck, I'm gonna want to take a picture of your truck. And if you got a new truck and you haven't done a review, I'll certainly do a review. She might be with child. Poor thing. She should be at home. All right. We're going to the drop yard. We're going to Best Buy because we have to get some. Our GoPro case is we don't. Apparently they have more than one kind, so we're going to go get another one. And then we're going to go. I'm going to try to get San Antonio tonight. And if I get lucky, that's San Antonio. Is it San Antonio? It's a Petrover, I think. It always has lot lizards in it. I'm going to go find the lot lizards for interview. I'll pay her $20 for an interview.
I can't take him anywhere.
You'll be here to protect me.
From a lot lizard? Really?
Y'all speak the same lingo. You're female.
Are you saying I'm a lot lizard?
No, but you're both female. So you'll know how to interpret the signs and make sure she's not an aggressive lot lizard. Yakety yak, right? You can look. No, stay away from that one. It's on drugs. You know.
I bet most of them are.
Around here they probably are. I don't know. We're close to Mexico. They might just be hungry. There's some good people there, lot lizards. Probably just looking to make a living. Feed your family. In Europe, lot lizard is a time proven, well, you know,
somewhere
job.
Don't they have like windows and the girls sit there on display and
yeah,
like, go in and pick one out of a window
in Nuremberg they got the castle walls are lined with windows, and these hotties. I used to go over there. I'll be truthful about it, and just check them out because it was fun. And their husbands would bring them to work in the morning in their Mercedeses and BMWs, and they'd drop them off, and they'd go in there in their lingerie and sit up in the window and go, Foss's Laws. You know what I'm saying? They're like, come on in, boys. I didn't visit nobody. But that's not the point of this video. They are there. And it's like that all over Europe. You know, they go out there, hey honey, good to see you. Alright. It's a job. How did we get on lot lizards other than I just wanted to interview one? Now we're in Europe, parading around in the old cities. We gotta go. See ya. Alright guys, this is right behind the Petro in El Paso. It is a little Mexican place with really good food. It has 5 tables. Come over here and get something to eat. I bet you'll like it. This is the Ranchero meal. What do you have?
Chicken.
Chicken fajitas. Yeah, straight from south of the border.